Are you tired of juggling multiple systems for your Salesforce payments? Are clunky integrations and limited functionality causing you frustration? Well, then say hello to Chargent. We're the only payment app on the App Exchange that's 100% focused on Salesforce and 100% dedicated to making payments easy for you. My name is Micaiah, and I'm from Chargent. If you are a Salesforce admin or a consultant who wants to learn about payments and be a superstar for your organization, then you are in the right place. Chargent, you can seamlessly integrate payment processing solutions with your Salesforce org, allowing you to take credit card payments and bank account payments directly within Salesforce. No more switching between apps. No more manual data entry. No more headaches. Chargent is more than just a payment processing application. It is a suite of powerful tools that transforms your entire payment process. There are 3 benefits that you will experience. Benefit number 1 is improved accuracy and efficiency. Eliminate manual data entry and reduce errors with automated payment processing. You can also reduce payment processing costs in Salesforce, saving you money while improving efficiency. Benefit number 2 is happier customers. You can easily offer payment options like recurring billing. You can automate billing and payment reminders, which are going to make it easy for your customers to manage their subscription to your offerings. Benefit number 3, it's better data means better decisions. Track your payment data with robust reporting and analytics, all within Salesforce. Ready to simplify your Salesforce payments experience and unlock the potential of your organization? Well, then start a 30-day trial of Chargent today. I just want you to click the link in the description of this video to get started. With Chargent's powerful analytics, you can track key metrics like transaction volume, recurring revenue, and the customer lifetime value. This data gives you the insights you need to make informed decisions about your organization. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Chargent can help you get paid faster and more efficiently with a secure payment gateway. My name is Micaiah, and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. Use the link in the description below to test Chargent for yourself for 30 days at no cost to you. And for more helpful tips, I want you to watch this video here. And remember, at Chargent, we are always here to help.